Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to hide applications and how to use secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus smartphone. To enable secure folder feature, go to settings on your device, then navigate to security and privacy. Here, select to more security settings. Select Secure Folder, then tap Continue. Tap More, Next. Then wait until the secure folder is created on your smartphone. Now here you can select what you want to secure your folder with. So either a PIN code or a password or a pattern, biometrics. And if you want to allow lock reset with your smart Samsung account. So let's select a pattern to lock our secure folder, set it up, tap allow if you want to allow. If you don't, then don't allow. Then tap next. Then choose whether you want to close all apps while locked or allow background activity while locked. Then tap next, then done. And now we are in a secure folder. To add applications here, tap plus icon and select apps from your smartphone. Tap add, and now they are only accessible through the secure folder. And the secure folder itself will be available in your apps menu. So find it here and open it. And if we lock our smartphone, then we're gonna have to provide the pattern or password or biometrics, whichever one you chosen to unlock your secure folder with. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.